Alright, tonight we're doing a little cooking. We've got a burgundy black peppercorn tri-tip that I'm going to throw in the old Foodie Ninja. So on this tri-tip, there was a big hunk of extra fat that didn't seem like most of them. So I'm still going to cook it till we get the yum yum flavor, but I detached it here. I don't know, it just didn't seem right. So in the air fryer currently, we have some little spuds that have been smooshed down. I pressure cooked them for entirely too long because we got lost on the property and we're walking around and so on. And they pressure cooked for 4 minutes, but then sat for 55 minutes. So they got real soft. I then grabbed some mesquite flavored olive oil, drizzled it all over it, made some little onion bits, and threw in a vampire's killing worth of garlic. So how this works is we'll grab the little doobly-doo like this, smoosh it down. Sometimes it goes down easier than that, but get it down good. Throw this little guy on here. Throw this yummy fat on here. Hopefully it'll render down into the potatoes and make them real yum yum. But yeah, we'll cook this for a few minutes. We'll be back. And cut two here, I think. We've been cooking for what, 11 minutes or so? All right. We'll just have a quick little probe.
Can I have happiness?
Yes, son, 1 second.
I can have happiness.
All right, the tri-tip's been in for, where are we at, 17 minutes, 400. Started this basically cold. Ooh. Let's see there. Oh yeah, it's poking through, of course. I'm just gonna give it another minute. Let's see here. Alright, we're gonna pause the old girl here. You see it kind of swelled up during the cook. But yeah, that should do there. Let's see what that extra minute got me. Oh yeah. Opa. So, pull this little guy out. Calibrated, check. And then we'll set it on this little plate. Wrap it in foil. Let it think about what it's done for a few minutes. And then we'll work to get some of this yum yum scooped out of here. Oh, God. Alright, so now we're going to cut into the tri-tip here and see how we did. No, bud, you got to finish your brownie over there. Well, I'm going to save that for later, probably. Alright, so here's our hunk of fat. Probably super delicious. Here's our tri-tip. Some real good yum yum in there. Let's set that aside for the moment. You should probably learn how you're supposed to carve the old tri-tip, but what works for me is to cut it right here. Let's see how we did. That'll probably eat. here is beautiful. So even though you live in an RV, you can still eat like a king. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Hope the RV's level.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it seems we need to tilt a little bit. A little accident back there. Juice was getting a little western, so I give him a little slice sideways. And then like so. Then you have little nibblers.
I think I can plow.
And I think you can
You think you
understand
can plow
why
through that?
we need little nibblers around here. Come here, son. Come here, son. Try that.
Yeah.
Is that good? That's burgundy black peppercorn boneless beef tri-tip roast from, what's that store we like?
Market Street, Marketplace.
Ah, we shouldn't give away our honey hole. United Supermarket. Yeah, just give these a little cut. I'll try one.
What do you think?
What is it? Can I have another bitey, Daddy?
Oh, it's magical. Here, bud. Here.
And there you have it.
Yep. Alright, so that's the meat. You get all this cut up, you get it prepared, put it back in this yum yum sauce there. Oh, look who came. Brought a plate. 1 second, son. I'll get you hooked up. So yeah, we'll get it plated and then probably take a photo of that or a little video and see where we get. But I gotta keep working. I got a hungry boy to feed around here. These late night dinners, 9:18. Whoops. All right, the Smooshed Spuds have become delicious looking. So we'll grab our little doobly-doo here. Oh, so much juice. Oh, look at all the oil. Oh boy. I'm so excited. I just can't. Ooh, the flavor. That's fun. That is a fun flavor. Oops. Sorry. So a big nice view of my rubbish bin. I need a camera person. My boy will be pretty soon, huh? Probably be like holding a flashlight. It's never in the right spot. Alright. And then these little nibblers of the fat. Oh my goodness. Those are divine. Let's try this spud once. Let's cut this in half. Let's do a spud. Framing. There's one. A garlic, an onion, and a spud. Let's see how this is. That's where it's at. That's good eating. All this can be done in the Foodie Ninja in like 37 minutes. And it's a fantastic meal. Need some greens though, probably.